हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स सी दिस क्वेश्चन. इफ A is equal to here matrix of order 2 and elements are 2 1 7 5, find determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now come to the key concept. Key concept is determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1. Here n is order of matrix. Now come to the solution. Solution is here A is equal to 2 1 7 5, and for determinant of A into adjoint of A, it is equal to determinant of A into determinant of adjoint of A. Determinant of adjoint of A. Now here determinant of adjoint of A is equal to A to the power n minus 1. So we substitute in A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n minus 1, which is equal to A to the power n. Now here determinant of A for matrix A is equal to 2 into 5 minus 7 into 1, that means 10 minus 7, which is equal to 3, and n is here 2. So determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A to the power n, which is equal to 3 to the power 2, that means 9. Here A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to 9. This is our final answer. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.